Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. Please like, share and subscribe to my video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys a full roughing of the first floor that I recently finished. So right here, as you can see, we're going to have security wire. Also, if you see, we're going to have a keypad here. I have some switches on this wall. Also at the entrance, I'm going to have some receptacles. If you see, I have one here. I have another receptacle here. And there's another one here. And we go into this room. This room, you're going to see I have some pot lights, a speaker cable, one sender light. You can see my wire is all neatly strapped down. In this room, I'm gonna have one data for the TV, one receptacle for the TV, my switches to control this room, my receptacles for this room, alter code. I'll have a data on this wall. I have a data, one receptacle for the floor. This room here is going to be a washroom. As you see, I have my fan here, a couple pot lights, LED mirror, GFI receptacle for the sink. I have one receptacle for the toilet, and I have my switches. We leave this room here and we go over to this room. You're going to see I have some pot lights with sender light. This wire here is basically for the LED strip light. I have my switches here, which will be controlled from this side for the pot light. It's also it's called a three-way switch. I have my receptacles. This here is going to be a receptacle for the gas fireplace. And then I'm going to have my security contacts for the windows, along with my wiring for the shade windows. We leave this area. We're going to go into this room, which is another washroom. Two pot lights, one fan, two pendants. I have my receptacle for my LED mirror, receptacle for the GFI. In here, there's no receptacle for the toilet because of the, obviously this is a new style toilet, so it doesn't call for a receptacle. Here I have my switches for this washroom, and if we go into this area, it's going to be one receptacle here, some pot lights, LED strip lights. If you see the way I tuck my wire out so it's not lost in the drywall, and my switches for this washroom, not washroom, for this room. We go over to this next room here. You'll see I have my pot lights, center light, I have speaker cables. I also have another cable for my LED strip. I have my switches here, which will be controlled from this location also. Okay, here I'm going to have a GFI. There's going to be a sink here, wash basin. This is a nanny kitchen, butler kitchen. We go into this area. You're going to see I have my receptacle for my microwave. I have a couple receptacles for the counter, alter code. There's going to be a mini fridge here. Sorry, freezer. This is going to be a dishwasher. And then going to this area, this is my kitchen. I have a 20 amp fridge receptacle. I have wall oven receptacle. On this wall I have my receptacles that's going to be underneath the cabinet. Also, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section.